Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve the 23rd question from CBSE class 10 2023-24 additional practice questions mathematics standard with subject code 041 section B, where each question is of 2 marks. Now this question is from the circles chapter. Shown below is a circle with center O and 3 tangents drawn at points A, E and C. AE is the diameter of the circle. The tangents intersect at points B and D. Based on the information given above, evaluate whether the following statement is true or false and justify your answer. And the statement is, at least one pair of opposite sides of AEDB is parallel. So let us try to understand the given question first. Now a circle is given and the center of the circle is O and AE is acting as a diameter of the circle, and there are 3 tangents which touch the circle at 3 points. One is at point A, so we can consider AB as a tangent. Another one is at point E, so we can consider ED as one tangent, and the other one touches at point C, so we can consider BCD as third tangent. Now they have given a statement that at least one pair of opposite sides of AEDB. Let me highlight that. So at least one pair of opposite sides are parallel to each other. Now let us try to understand first what are the parallel lines, understand its properties, and the other thing is what is the relationship of the tangent to the diameter of the circle. Now here you can see that I have written parallel lines and their properties. Now the statement is parallel lines are the lines that do not intersect or meet each other at any point. You can see I have drawn 2 lines here, L1 and L2. They are in such a way that they will never cross each other or they will never intersect or meet each other. So this is the first property of the parallel line we need to remember. And the second one is the co-interior or adjacent interior angles add to 180 degrees. Now imagine that I am going to draw a third line T which cuts the parallel lines L1 and L2, and it cuts in such a way that it makes an angle X with the line L1 and it makes an angle Y with the line L2. So the transversal line has made 2 angles on the same side of the transversal side. Now these 2 angles are called as co-interior angles, that is X and Y, and when we add them together we should get 180 degrees. So I can write here X plus Y should be equal to 180 degree. So these are the 2 things we need to remember. One thing is the parallel lines will never touch each other, and the next one is when we add the co-interior angles of a parallel line cut by a transversal line, they should always add up to 180 degrees. Now the next thing we have to remember for solving this example is the radius tangent theorem. Now it states that the radius or diameter of a circle always makes 90 degrees with the tangent. Now you can see I have drawn a circle and ACB is acting as a tangent which touches the circle at point C, and COD acts as a diameter of the circle. So here, according to the given theorem, the diameter or the radius will always make a 90 degree angle with the tangent. So let us make use of these 3 points and try to solve the example above. Now coming back over here, AEDB has 2 pair of opposite sides now. One pair of opposite sides are AE and BD. Now are they parallel to each other? They are not parallel because if I extend AE and if I extend BD, they are going to touch each other. But according to the properties of parallel lines will never touch each other. So AE and BD are not pair of parallel lines. Now let us check if AB and ED act as parallel lines. So at the moment I am going to remove this BD line, and imagine that the line AB and ED are being cut by the transversal line AOE. So when they are cut by the transversal line, we get an angle over here and we get an angle over here. Now the next thing we are using here is the diameter tangent theorem. Now here AB is a tangent and AE is the diameter. So here we can write angle BAE is 90 degrees, that is by using the radius or diameter tangent theorem. Similarly, ED is a tangent and AE is a diameter touching it. So we can write here angle E is also 90 degree. So angle A and angle E are acting as co-interior angles now. So we can write here angle BAE is equal to angle AED, which is 90 degree. So here we can write angle BAE is equal to angle AED is equal to 90 degree, because tangents always make 90 degrees with the radius or diameter of a circle. So we have used the tangent theorem here. Now once we have written this, we can consider the co-interior angles of the given sides. That is angle BAE plus angle AED. Let us see if we get a supplementary angle now. So here angle BAE is 90 degree plus angle AED is also 90 degree. So you can see we get it as 180 degree, which is supplementary angle. So now the next point we write here is angle BAE plus angle AED is equal to 180 degree. So we can say that the co-interior or the adjacent interior angles are supplementary. Hence we can say that the given statement is true. So let me write here. We have to write that the given statement is true because of the above reasons, the first reason and the second reason. Hence at least one pair of opposite sides of AEDB is parallel, and here the opposite sides which are parallel to each other are AB and ED. So it is going to be AB parallel to ED. So here to solve this example, we have made use of the properties of parallel lines and the tangent theorems. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. If you know any other way of solving this example, do comment below. And if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.